Yo, what's up, everybody? It's June. It's time for the Sketchbox challenge. So, you know what it is. Each month I get a mystery box from this company called Sketchbox. They put in cool stuff. I don't even know what's inside the box. So what we're going to do a smooth unboxing. We're going to see what's inside the box. And then, of course, I'm going to do some artwork, which may or may not be good. We never know. We're going to do some artwork using just the materials that are inside this box. I do reserve the right, if they don't provide paper, to use paper, and if, you know, helpful things like that. But anything else, only the supplies that's in that box. So with that said, let's get into the unboxing. Let's get into the show. All right, let's get into this unboxing. Get out my handy tool right here, and let's do the cutting and the unboxing. All right, let's see what's inside. Okay, let's see what we got. Well, first off, all right. Oh, okay, this ought to be some interesting. This ought to be some interesting stuff. So, first off, we've got. Well, I already know what this is. This is a Kuretake brush, but this is a different kind of Kuretake brush. Check that out, guys. And we'll get some cool B-roll of these unboxings in just a moment, but this is kind of an interesting look. So I'm definitely interested in how this one is going to work as opposed to all of my other Kuretake supplies. All right, what we got in here? All right, we've got another brush pen, and this one, this is white. Check that out. What color is this? Cream under the portable water brush. It's a water brush. Okay. Oh, okay. All right, it's a water brush. All right, bet. And we've got Holbein Artist Paint. Yeah, Artist Watercolor. And this is Juan or Juan. Check that out, guys. So that's interesting right there. And we got, why do they always put this stuff in here? I never understood that. Go away. So we can see what's inside. All right, so it looks like this is a watercolor theme Sketchbox today, this month. All right, so we've got Winsor Newton watercolors. We've got gray, Indian red, sienna, and green. Boy, they never give you any colors that you can just make something basic with. So we're going to see how this works out. And Extraordinary Aquabond Artboard, Sketchboard. Okay, Sketchbox. Aquaboard. So it's a watercolor board surface. It's very textured too, extremely textured. You probably can't see that in the camera, but it's very textured. So that's interesting. All right, well, that's everything. Of course, got the Sketchbox sticker. Got that one already. All right, let's get this out of the way and let's see what we can do, what we can create. Alright guys, so now that I've got everything unboxed, this is going to be a very interesting Sketchbox challenge because these are some very unique items that I've gotten. Like this right here, I actually had it wrong. This is actually basically a all-in-one watercolor brush. So you actually load it up with water and then you can use your paints as need be. So that's going to be just the most interesting thing ever. I cannot wait to try this out. So let's get all this stuff unwrapped, and let's try to create something cool, and hopefully I don't screw it up. Alright guys, so we're going to try to create something cool using just the colors and the supplies that came out of the Sketchbox. Let's see what I can come up with. Alright guys, so there you have it, another Sketchbox challenge in the books, and just kind of my final thoughts on the project. And this Sketchbox right here really opened my eyes to a whole lot of new things. Number one, this Fudenoseki Kuretake pen, this felt pen is one of the dopest felt pens that I've had in a long time. And of course, I kind of expected it to be from this company, but it was really dope. And I just love the lettering on there. Check that out, y'all. Check that out. Hold on. Look at that. Look at that. Let me see if I can get it. Come on, focus. There we go. Look at the lettering on there. That is so dope. Super dope. Super dope. Alright, so this pen is a definite go. If you guys get a chance to get that, where's the little card? Oh, here it goes. Kind of gives you price points and everything. For this right here, the Kuretake Zig H2O brush. Oh no, I'm sorry. The Kuretake Zig Hikei Fude pen. try saying that a billion times. It's only goes for $275. So links will be below in the description, and this is a definite go. These Winsor Newton tube watercolors has pretty much changed my whole outlook on everything, and that also goes for this one and the Albion. I've always used the chalky kind of watercolors, but yeah, I need to get my life together and upgrade and move to what the pros are using, what real pros are using, you know, not me being the dumb idiot that I am, but I'm still a pro, don't get it twisted. But yeah, these Winsor Newtons are a definite go. Very bright, vibrant colors. Nothing but good things to say about that. And actually, that's what I like about the Albion too. The Albion was very bright and vibrant, and it's just a different feeling when you're using a tube watercolor as opposed to the chalk watercolor, and it's just a different kind of approach. It's one of the reasons why I may be moving back to watercolor now. It's opposed to acrylics, which I have been using for a long time, and I'm pretty proficient at. So these watercolors are definitely a go, and gotta give it up to this board. This is the custom ampersand aqua board. It's a 3x8. It retails for $4, which is pretty expensive just for a board. But I'm actually going to get some in a larger form, because this one, perfect for watercolor, is thick, so it's going to be great for displaying artwork. The colors pop on here, like literally they pop. This is like really just high quality stuff right here. And if you ever chance, if you're a watercolor artist, I definitely highly recommend this board, or a board of this sort, for you moving forward, because I think this is really going to change the game as far as what you're doing art wise. Now we got to get to this, the Kuretake Zig H2O brush. It's a long detailer. It retails for $7.50. Very mixed on this one. I see its purpose. I see what it could be used for and why it would be great. And it actually did make the job of creating the artwork really easy. That's some of the pros, but some of the cons that I've experienced with this so far. Sometimes the brush is hard to clean out, because you're just using one brush, so you got to be really thorough. I should say it's hard to clean out. It's just you got to be really thorough and mindful when you're painting, to clean out the brush before you switch over the colors, because you'll have color blending. And that was the situation when I was trying to go on the background and go with a clean background, but it was taking on the brownish sienna tone from me using the siennas. Now also I could have kind of done a better job with my colors, but I was just throwing colors on there just to really test this out. Not really taking it as seriously as I should have, but I think I should have took it a little bit more seriously as far as how I approached adding the colors to the board, and that would have probably avoided that. But that being said, that still is kind of annoyance to me, and more annoying than anything else was just the water fill system. It's time consuming, it's not very efficient, and it just wasn't for me. So would I use this? Yes, but only in situations that kind of work for me as a creator. This will only be situational. It wouldn't be something that I use on a regular basis. The rest of this stuff though, oh, it's getting used. But as far as this brush is concerned, yeah, I think I'm going to just use that only when I can. And just so you guys know, all the stuff that I get from Sketchbox, I'm pretty much using almost all of it to this day in some way, shape, or form, especially as I continue to grow as an artist and building up my collection of paintings and things like that you guys like so much. So all in all, a really good June Sketchbox. I'm really happy with the products that came through. Shout outs to Sketchbox one more time, because you know you guys are doing it. You guys always hook me up with some nice stuff. I'm very glad that you gave me some of these tube paints in this box right here, because this has really got me moving in another direction creatively, and I can't wait to get started. Also, the board, the art board, the aqua boards, just that's it. That's the one. So guys, if you like this video, be the cool person to go ahead and give the thumbs up and like it, because that does help the YouTube algorithm know that I exist. Hey guys, I exist. And also, if you're new here, please feel free, or you know, you don't have to feel free. You know, I'll guilt you a little bit. You know, I need the subscribers. No, if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel. I have lots of videos coming. I've got tutorials coming on the way. Got a lot of stuff coming on the way. I think you guys are going to be kind of surprised. I got some surprises in store for you guys. Other than that, man, this was a good show. This was a good video, and it's DKG72. That's me. I'm that guy, and I'm out. See you next video. Peace.